Hello friends, this is the next video for WhatsApp campaign. Like previous two video, we will discuss about how you can connect their WhatsApp if you have their WABA ID and phone number ID, and how you can create their template and send a campaign. And in the campaign, you also have the menu options like in the audience section, upload CSV, manual entry, segment from CDP, and etc. But now we will discuss about the embedded sign up. Whenever you don't have their WABA ID, phone number ID, and access token, so from here you can embedded sign up on our panels. So first of all, click on channel and connections, then click on WhatsApp. You can say I'm already here. So now click on embedded sign up. This is the embedded sign up window. Click on the connect to Facebook button. Now this is redirect to a new window. Now you can see some message like this, but whenever you have a Meta account and already login on your browser, so you saw this window. But if you are not login their Meta account, so first of all they ask you for login their Meta account. I am already logged in, so I am showing this window. Then continue, and this is the business portfolio profile. I am already have some business portfolio, so this is showing here. But if you wish, you create their own new business portfolio from here and create a business WhatsApp account. But I am already created. Like you can use any of things. I am using like message expert. But if you have already any business portfolio on your Meta account, you will listed here. You can choose from here. But if you don't have any business portfolio, you create first. Then after that, I am WhatsApp business account. I am create a new WhatsApp business account. I am not using existing. I am creating new. Only I am using the business portfolio that is already created. Then click on next button. Here is the some credentials, like you will give information about your business, like message expert. I wish to change the name here, message EX, and choose a category, like select the category that best desire your business. Here you can choose the category, which type of business you are choosing, like automotive, beauty, clothing, educations, entertainment, etc, etc. Many of categories listed down here. Like I'm choosing entertainment. Yes, the country is India, and this is the website, and the time zone according to your country code. This is the very optional, like you can describe about your business, WhatsApp business. I am not filling this. Then click on next button. Here you show a message, add your WhatsApp phone number, choose how you want to be identified when sending a message. Like you want use a display name means your business name, or add your a mobile number. So I am verifying with the mobile number. So here we will step to verify our phone number, which is showing on our WhatsApp display. So I am using my phone number. This is the step. I am filling this number, and then Meta send my OTP on my number, and then I will verify. I am using this, and you can choose any options like text message or phone call. This is my business display name, which is showing on WhatsApp. I am click on next. The OTP is sending on my number, and I am waiting for OTP and then verify. This is some waiting time from the Meta side. I am waiting for OTP. As I get OTP, I will verify. I am getting OTP from Meta side. I am filling here. Now click on next. Like this is the review portal about your business, like what are you are filling behind. Like this is the WhatsApp business account, which is showing on WhatsApp. This is the Bolger manager. This is the your TSP partner. Then click on confirm. This is may take some few seconds for connecting their accounts. This is only verification process. Please wait some time. I am request sending the OTP on my mail. Like we are having getting OTP and verify now. So we are showing this window. Your account is connected at Bol7 Technology. We are reviewing your business to ensure a complete policy. This is the only confirmation message. Okay, then click on finish. When we are click on finish, we are redirect back on our panels, like from where we are starting the embedded sign up. You are notice one things, whenever you click on add accounts, you will fill out WABA ID, phone number ID, access token, etc. But whenever you are click on embedded sign up, you are filling some details where, and then in the embedded sign up tab, you will show their WhatsApp WABA new account ID, which is given by Meta when you are using the embedded sign up. So click on view and you are showing this is your new phone number ID, this is your WABA ID, and this is the your phone number which is you are using on registering your WhatsApp business account. You also can show here like phone number ID, this is phone number and business number ID. This is the app subscription button section in which like whenever you are create your WhatsApp business account, first of all you need to subscribe your app on WhatsApp. So in the subscribe, this whenever you are login, connect your WABA, this is automatically subscribed. But if you want to unsubscribe the app, like you are not using their app and disconnect the WhatsApp, so you can unsubscribe from here. But we are no need to unsubscribe because now we are connected the WhatsApp business account. This is the WhatsApp business name which is given by on the configuration on Meta. And now we also can change from here, like if you wish to change their WhatsApp business name, so you can update from here. You can change any name from here and then click on update button. This is the full credentials about our WhatsApp business, like this is our phone number ID, this is our WABA ID, this is our API based URL, and this is Meta tab ID, this is our TSP Meta app ID, and this is our token, but we will hide this token. Okay, we are no need any change from here, like we don't need to change name, but if we wish we can change from here, or we also can unsubscribe the app. Click on saving, like we are going back, and this is the embedded sign up, and these are our credentials. And we also can go on Omni templates, we also can create a templates from here, like these all are discussed in all previous video, like how we can create our templates and how we can send that templates in a campaign. These all are discussed in all previous two video, you also can check that video. In this video we can wrap up on these things, like, and I want to give some overview what we done in this video. We are using an embedded sign up, and click on embedded sign up, get their WABA ID, phone number ID, access token, and now we are connected on WhatsApp business account, and we can use our accounts. Here we can get details like this is our WABA ID, and this is our phone number ID, and this is our phone number. So thank you.